Tillage and seeding equipment may require little maintenance, especially in their earlier years, but when the time comes to check on them, issues often arise. One key challenge is accessing the seeding modules. With limited clearance under the seeder bar and the modules frequently placed close to one another, farmers often have to crouch and crawl to attempt any servicing or carry out replacement. However, New South Wales-based farm equipment specialist Serafin Machinery says it has the perfect solution. Its new HiLift Ultisow seeder has 1600 mm of underbar clearance, so operators can simply walk under the bar to safely and easily conduct checks and maintenance.
So previously the original frame was a fixed frame height machine and it would sit at about 660 mm off the ground. By having the hydraulic lift on the machine now, we've been able to lift the frame up so that we get another full metre of clearance, and we're able to drop those row units down so it gives us a lot more room between the front and rear row. We've got a rolling bar that unit actually attaches to. There's a hydraulic cylinder inside that can actually push those units down or lift them up. And that's the thing that gives us our penetration and the ability to be able to force those units down into the ground or lift them up depending on the soil type and conditions. So some gentlemen are saying that, instead of taking 2 days to change a set of discs when required, it might only take us a day because we can actually access them a lot quicker and easier than previously.
In addition to the increased clearance, Serafin has also built the seeder in a way that increases spacing between each row unit without compromising seeder performance.
We've got customers now requesting they want 6-inch spacings for more pasture work. So to be able to achieve a 6-inch spacing, we need to be able to make this into a 3-row machine instead of having the two rows of units. So we've designed the frame so that we are able to make it a little bit deeper this way to be able to fit that 3rd row in, so that then we can achieve those narrow row spacings. So making it heavier and stronger and robust enough to be able to take that extra weight and that extra row was key to designing this machine as well.
Serafin says the company is happy to work with customers to build machines of different widths and sizes to suit individual needs.
All of the frame is manufactured in Griffith. These row units here are built for us in Brazil by Baldwin, which is one of our suppliers, but all the framework and that's made in Griffith. The powder coating is done in Leeton, so it is a good Australian built machine. We've got a lot of customers down in this area. They've all had a look, fantastic feedback. Everybody said, what a great idea. Our next machine, we know which one it's going to be, because it's going to mean that we can still get all the benefits of our current machine, but it just means we're going to be able to service it and work on it. And everybody's getting a little bit older, so it'll just make it a little bit easier for everybody. So feedback's been absolutely fantastic.